This video is not sponsored. All opinions expressed are the video creator's own, and the creator is not affiliated with any of the brands or companies mentioned. The creator of this video purchased the products himself and is sharing his honest thoughts for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a super exciting day because we're going to kick off the preparations for an epic road trip from Bengaluru to Gujarat. It is going to be a journey filled with amazing landscapes, cultural experiences, and some incredible food stops along the way. Today I'm going to be taking you through our itinerary, taking accommodations, the route we're going to take, and even booking the ferry if you plan to take the sea route somewhere along the way. Let us get started. As per the itinerary, we will leave Bangalore on 6th Jan and reach Kolhapur via Chitradurga, that is NH48. The plan is to stay in Hotel Maratha Regency overnight and check out the next day. On 7th Jan, the plan is to leave Kolhapur and reach Surat via Pune and Mumbai. And I'm planning to book ginger properties in both Surat and Vadodara. So moving on 8th and 9th Jan, we will explore Surat, covering some of these places. On 10th Jan, we will leave to Vadodara, which is about 150 kilometers via NH48. We will choose to take NH64, then NE4, or NH48, then NE4. Then the distance will be either 170 kilometers or 160 kilometers. Whichever route we take, the duration is going to be 3 hours plus or minus 10 minutes. We'll spend one day in Vadodara, which is on the 11th Jan. This is in addition to the 10th Jan when we're going to reach. We will visit some of the places also on the same day. On the 12th, we will check out from Ginger, Vadodara, and then head towards Rajkot, which is about 282 kilometers via NH47 with 4 hours 20 minutes as a travel time. This is the shortest distance as per Google Maps. The plan is to check in to the Grand Regency in Rajkot and visit some places I've listed here. Of course, we will have the entire next day to cover the remaining places. On the 14th Jan, we will leave to Gujarat, Rajkot, and leave to Dholavira. We will reach on the same day as the estimated travel time is 5 hours for 260 kilometers via NH 927C. That is NH 927C. On 15th Jan will be the only day we will stay in Dholavira and try to cover as much places as possible in this itinerary. I have not shortlisted any resort here till now. On the 16th Jan, we'll leave Dholavira to Ahmedabad, which is 6 hours 20 minutes and 240 kilometers via NH 920C and NH 27. On 17th Jan, will be the only day we will stay in Ahmedabad and visit Science City, Riverfront Park, and a few other places. I've selected Taj Skyline as a hotel to stay. On the way back, we're planning to visit Mumbai, Lonavala, Kandala from 18th to 19th. So on 20th Jan, we will leave from Lonavala and reach Kolhapur. Again, we'll check into the same hotel, Hotel Maratha Regency, for overnight and then leave to Bangalore on the next day. All the routes I've selected are toll roads, just to ensure we can cover longer distance in a shorter time. While we planned Itinerary 1.2, we wanted to cover many places in a short time. We decided this time to focus only on Gujarat and nothing else. We wanted to spend more days in each city rather than rushing. Also, we have made changes to the places we are going to visit, making it more interesting this time. This is version 2.0 and the final version. Instead of leaving on 6th Jan, which is a Monday, we're now going to leave on 4th Jan, which is a weekend. Also, I did a little bit of research on the route. We will avoid NH48, which has a lot of deviations due to road repairs. We are going to leave Bangalore on 4th Jan and reach Solapur via Chitradurga. Till Chitradurga, we will take NH48, then NH50 till Vijayapura, and then NH52 till Solapur. Hotel Kiryat is the confirmed hotel for overnight stay while going and also while returning. In Solapur. On 5th Jan, we will take NH50 and then NH52 via Beed, Chhatrapati Shambaji and Dhule to reach Surat. I have booked Ginger Surat for our stay. On 6th and 7th, we will visit these places and leave Surat on 8th early morning. This is the most interesting part. We are going to take a Ro-Ro ferry to travel via sea from Hazira port to Goga port. Then continue in our car to Diu. This will save us about 4 hours of driving, and we will also enjoy our first ferry ride. On 9th and 10th Jan, we will cover most of these places. I've listed a lot of places, but even if we cover 50% of these, we are good to go. We have confirmed the booking in Hotel Carnival, which is a new property. On 11th Jan, we will leave from Diu and travel towards Rajkot. On the way, we will visit Somnath Temple and Gondal. In Gondal, we will visit our relatives, spend some time and head to Rajkot. The Sky Imperial is confirmed for our stay in Rajkot. On 12th and 13th, we will stay in Rajkot and visit some places. On 14th, we will leave to Bhuj. I confirmed La Camp Resort at the last minute, as all the resorts were sold out due to Sankranti and full moon day. On 15th, we will visit the places listed here and check out on 17th morning to head back to Surat. The return route is the same as we came for now. In case of any changes, I will surely share the experience in the coming vlogs. I have mentioned the distance of each location from the previous location in the itinerary. If you want this itinerary, please leave a comment below or DM on Instagram. I will be happy to share the same. Let us take a look at the route on the map. Now that our itinerary is finalized, let us do the booking for the ferry using tgferry.com. Here we need to select the dates of travel and return in case you're planning to do a round trip. The first option that you get is 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. We selected 9 a.m. and travel by car. We will be driving the car into the ferry, so if you're if you're a walk-in passenger, select the first option. Bike, third option, and bus or any other public transport will be the fourth option. Select the number of people traveling and the class of seat that you want, and proceed to reserve your seat. As you proceed, you will get the option to enter the name, gender, and age. Scroll down and you will get the option to enter the vehicle details. Once you enter the vehicle details, you can proceed to enter the proof of identity and contact details and proceed to make the payment. Now, the second most important booking is the safari in Sasan Gir. I did the booking using the website girforest.in. There are two types of safari here. One is Gir Safari, second is Devalia Safari. Gir Safari is for 3 hours and in 2 slots, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. slot and 8:30 to 11:30 is the second slot. The vehicles provided for this are open roof, so if you are an adventurous person or a wildlife photographer, then this might be just the right option. The second one, Devalia Safari, on the other hand, is for 1 hour starting from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So every hour they have a slot from morning to evening. The vehicles used in this safari are usually caged, so you will feel safe inside the vehicle. If you are not an adventurous person, this might just be the right option. Please ensure to read the important notes in this website. There are 2 things to keep in mind. Use this website to book a permit. One permit can be used for any number of people in your group or family. The second most important thing is you need to reach Sin Sadan at least 30 minutes before the selected slot for which you have booked the permit. At the counter, show the permit hard copy and hire a vehicle along with an authorized guide. The guide is a must, and he will get the vehicle once the payment is done for the vehicle and the guide. So I have made the booking for the Devalia Safari, which is for 1 hour. And as I was a bit late, I just secured the permit last minute. My suggestion is to book at least a month in advance if you're visiting between October and January when it's an on-season time. We did some shopping for our trip, buying some very essential items as it was a long road trip. Then we left our car for service. The car was about 30,000 kilometers. We left the car for service and started to do some packing. These are all the gadgets and essentials I carry whenever I am on the go. This is a foldable mattress from Sleep Easy. Since Aisha has grown taller, space is getting tight when we share a bed. This mattress is a lifesaver, super light, and makes sure all 3 of us sleep comfortably without having to ask for an extra. The Dell laptop, this is the heart of my editing setup. It's a Dell i7 processor laptop, perfect for my travel videos, editing on the go. The DJI Mini 2 drone, the little beast, is my aerial companion. I've added an ND filter for better cinematic shots and a landing gear protector during takeoff and landing. I don't carry the box. The drone is right now, it's bulky. Instead, I use the original DJI bag, which is light and fits easily in my backpack. The MI tripod selfie stick is one multi-purpose gem. It's a selfie stick and a tripod, super compact. The Digitech mic, the audio you're hearing right now is coming from this mic. It's been solid for recording clean, crisp sound. The SJ cam is my action cam. Great for capturing high energy shots, biking, and even drive. It's got a good battery life and fits into all kinds of mounts. Speaking of mounts, this is my favorite. It's a suction mount that I use to stick the SJ cam outside the car. The grip on this thing is insanely strong. No worries about it flying off midway. Got 2 more mounts here, one waterproof case for beach and underwater shots, and a standard mount that I use for general setups. This Gorilla tripod from Madofizz is super versatile. It holds both my phone and the action cam, and the grip is solid. I use it a lot when I want to get creative with my angles or wrap it around the tree branch or even time lapse. This waterproof laundry bag might not be a gadget, but it's super useful. The waterproof bag, ideal for tossing in wet clothes after a beach day, keeps the rest of my bag clean and dry. Now this towel from Border Tribe, it's way better than the standard microfiber towels. Absorbs water fast, dries even faster. Comes with its own pouch and occupies very minimal space in your bag. This backpack from Fur Jaden is all I need to carry Everything you just saw fits just inside it. The top zip is clutch, gives quick access to my sunglasses, tablet, or even a snack when I'm traveling. So yeah, that's what's in my travel gear bag. Each item has its own little story and purpose, and together they make my travel life smoother, easier, and way more fun. Never forget to carry your medicines in case of emergencies or any medical attention. We got the car washed and then headed back home for some final pack up and load the car. This is our drip irrigation system. Keep the plants watered regularly. I had to change the timer settings to water once in every 3 days for 1 minute duration. Already, it's 3rd Jan and we're all set to leave early morning tomorrow. I packed all the clothes and footwear based on the weather forecast and our itinerary, trying to keep it practical and comfy. Also printed out all the important documents, booking vouchers, most importantly car papers. Since we'll be crossing 2 state borders, I just did not want to take any chances. That's pretty much it for the prep. Let's load the car and hit the road. So with everything said, we come to the end of this vlog. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the forthcoming interesting vlogs. Thank you.